Military professionalism. Men who adopt the profession of arms submit their own free will to a law of perpetual constraints of their own accord. They reject the right to live where they choose, to say what they think, to dress as they like. From the moment they become soldiers, it needs but an orders to settle them from this place, to move them to that, to separate from their families, and dislocate their normal lives. In the world of command, they must rise, march, run, endure bad weather, go out without sleep or food, be isolated in some distant post on work until they drop. They have ceased to become masters of their own fate. If they drop on their tracks, their shall be scattered by the four winds. That is all part and parcel of their job. Pledge of loyalty. If you work for a man in heaven's name, work for him. Speak well of him and stand by the institution that he represents. Remember, an ounce of loyalty is worth a pound of cleverness. If you must crawl, condemn, and eternally find fault, why resign your position? And when you are in the outside, damn to your heart's content. But as long as you are a part of the institution, do not condemn it. For if you do, the first high wind that comes along will blow you away, and probably you'll never know why. 11 General Orders. Number 1. To take charge of this post and all government properties in view. Number 2. To walk my post in military manner, keeping always on the alert in everything that I takes the place within sight or hearing. Number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4. To report all calls from my post more distance from the guardhouse than my own. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive, obey, and pass to the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officers, officer of the day, officers and non-commissioned officers of the guard house only, to take to no one except on the line of duty, to give alarm in case of fire or disorder, to call the commander of relief in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10. To salute all officer colors and understanding not case. Number 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging to challenge all persons on or near my post and to allow no one to pass without proper authority. Military secrecy. What you see, what you hear, when you leave it here. Military principle. Obey first before you complain. You do what I say.